show her you're working. Ma'am, I forgot your name, but this is Joey. I just wanted to show you. He's putting a second coat of mud on these nail heads. And I just wanted to show you so you'll know the job is being done. You'll know the job is done. He's putting the second coat on, and he's going to sand it when it dries and then vacuum it up. So I know you trusted me, or you wouldn't have left me here with the key and all that, but I want to show you also what Joey's doing. Flicking it out. And I think I'll sign off because I think you see what we're doing.